We're not doing something in D class.
Okay, so I'm done with the playlist. So now I guess I'm
You
open
want
to
to
do
do,
anything y'all want.
you want to do PGG?
Yeah, sure. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and build the HDT to a PGG car. The HDT. No, it's the new HDT. The new car from the playlist. The Commodore. The Commodore.
Door.
It's on stream. Um,
Doesn't matter.
yeah.
It doesn't
I'm gonna
really
go ahead
matter
and
that
make it a
much. So.
PGG beast.
Make the Lotus?
I'm gonna put
Stop
like
on him.
1200 horsepower in this.
Oh my god, I have a Shelby that I want to test against it.
I'll put a rally sprint. What?
I am not near you. Don't be there. Oh, I just checked my screen time for like my phone because you know how you guys have that on like iPhone. We can check how much time you're on your phone.
Mhm.
I was on my phone for a total of almost 7 hours today.
Yeah.
I wasn't playing any games at all. So, who knows? I was addicted to my phone this morning. But I was also camping last night. I was camping last night.
Oh, nice.
So,
Okay, I got myself a 1500 horsepower PGG built.
did you buy it?
No, I just
That was
yeah, there should be like
fucking
a little bit of chat
fast.
lag or stream lag.
That was fast.
Yeah, it's like 15 on the dot. 1500 horsepower.
That was quick. How did
I
you do
mean,
that
it's not
fast?
and then I'll also get a. Oh, never mind. I'll get a paint as well.
Okay, well, it better be good for a certain map that doesn't have much grip.
Yeah, it's got 1500 horsepower. What do you
The what?
expect?
Well, I mean, I know you hate that one, so it's not gonna be that one. It's gonna be infection, by the way.
Oh, I should make a pink. A hot pink. Should be ugly. Let's do it. I should have pink with the green hood. Oh no, we started it. Oh crap.
You have enough time.
Uh,
This is my first time playing like actual PGG. Aww, we lost everyone. Akira's just me and you.
I got
Hold
a
on, fight
meme
you guys
car
back
right
out
now.
there. It's not King. Yeah, I invited you guys back to the game. You could just join back in the party. You could join the convoy. It's just you're not gonna be actually in the game. 6 hours and 44 minutes.
Like 5 or 10 minutes. I'll just be right back. Hold on.
But don't do it right now. The game just started. Now we'll just hear my whisper. I switched it up.
Oh, okay, I'm back.
Why
Yeah,
did you
after
pick
this
the wrong car?
PGG, I'm gonna head out.
Oh,
Oh,
come
you're the one.
on. Come on, dude.
Okay, we
Game
just hit 1 hour
1.
on
This
the
happened
stream,
last
so
game as well.
yeah. After this one, I'm gonna head out.
Okay. Racers Prestige 3 now? Oh, very hard.
Yeah, Racer just grinding on the game pretty much.
I don't have the time for that.
Yeah, I don't have time to grind at all.
There's YouTubers that I know that have reached Prestige 7, so.
Oh, it's 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, you're right there. Oh,
Yeah, well.
oh, my car doesn't turn at all. Cause it's so much horsepower.
Oh no.
As I spin out. Oh, I'm just like
Oh my God,
drifting
you're
though.
drifting way too much.
Oh, I see you. Oh, uh-oh. I'm in trouble now. Okay.
Yeah, you're in your NSX for God's sake.
I see you. I see you.
Hey, get through. Oh, racing.
Oh, don't crash. Okay, there you go.
Accelerate. In the 918.
Damn, my
an off-road
1500 horsepower car is bombing
This
it.
thing is a piece of shit, actually. Yeah, I'm going back after Rosh again. I'm going after Rosh.
That's because I'm recording the video. Or I'm just streaming.
Aw.
This car is pretty hard to drive, so you must have an advantage.
Accelerate! Yes!
Oh. Okay, there goes somebody. Yeah, I just got a handbrake because like, this car doesn't even turn at all. It's just like handbraking.
Same thing with mine. Yeah, he's in a 918 though. Oh my god! This thing is way too fast. This thing has a, no, it doesn't have a 2J engine. This thing has a,
Oh, I see you, Daydon. Oh, oh!
No!
Sorry about that, Akira.
Oh my god, accelerate.
Yeah, it's
Accelerate,
true.
this one's flying.
Oh, this car, actually, it handles pretty well, actually. Uh-oh, don't crash. Oh, no, 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 no.
Your
Oh,
1500
no.
horsepower isn't
No.
working too well, is it?
Nope, not at all. Uh-oh. I can't control it because too much horsepower. Uh-oh. Oh, I see you. Between. Oh, oh, shit.
Oh my god.
I'm just too excited right now.
How do you manage that?
Oh, I see Daydon. I see Daydon. I see Daydon. I went like between those stands things.
It was accelerate. I'm not even getting to. Actually, I am now, but. In the red thing?
140.
No, that's Rosh. Wait, you still don't have names?
Why?
Because his game does that. No, no way. No actual way.
Oh, I crashed.
No actual way. No actual way. No! I'm done. I tagged him on my screen. We flipped next to each other.
Oh no,
but I didn't
don't crash, don't
tag
crash,
him.
don't crash, don't crash.
That's absolute wolf trap. Dude, no one's gonna get tagged. Gosh, why do you have to get off that sound anyway?
Oh, there goes Racer flying in the air.
Ow.
55 seconds.
Ow.
Come on,
Why
let's
do you have to go
survive.
next round? Come on. This wolf trap. I didn't tag
45
you.
seconds. Come on. I'm gonna win too. Hopefully. I'm like in
That's
the,
so. Whoa, I hate the freaking
I'm like in the
satellite.
outside of the map, outside area. Yeah. Oh god, this is don't crash. Okay, there we go. Oh, 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 this is bad, this is bad. Okay, there we go, finally. My car's pretty good.
I'm done. Ow. Ow. I hate you on my screen.
Oh, 4 seconds. Let's go.
Oh.
Nice.
Rush, where do you have
Alright.
to go?
Because I have to go. I have school tomorrow, so.
Oh, I have to be off early.